Yo, what's going on, everybody? Yeah, we're gonna be putting in this new radiator here. My stock radiator went a couple days ago. Oh yeah, one other thing too. I'm not a mechanic. If I say anything, do anything stupid, you know, please correct me. You know, if there's gonna be any comments, throw them down there. I just like to tinker with cars, and when I need to fix something, I'll try and go online, research it. Anybody who's ever worked on a car knows that, you know, something always ends up getting in the way. Just like, oh, that last little hurdle. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy whatever content is produced today. Cool from the radiator spraying everywhere. I gotta clean up this engine today. This is a work in progress car, a daily driver car. So what's going on? It's the next day. We pulled the radiator out, found that it was actually the radiator fans that struck the radiator, causing it to, you know, pop open. I'm guessing, you know, the individual who owned the car before me either put larger fans on there thinking it was going to be an upgrade, not realizing how close the point fan blades were actually getting to the radiator. But we got some OEM rad fans that are going to go in today, and I got some new rad hoses just because, you know, why not? Our OEM fans, and these are the tubes that I picked up here on eBay again. Here. Here's our top, right here. Alright, here we go. I'm going to try and pull the radiator out here. These are the fans that came with the car. Here, we have some OEM Lexus IS300 fans. I don't know, but at least I know that my radiator fans won't be slicing up my new radiator. Now, off we go. Let's line this up here. And like a glove, OEM fitments. Went ahead and I flushed the radiator out already with, or not the radiator, the reservoir, the water. It looked, you know, a little sketchy. I don't think that's gonna harm anything. Again, I'm not a mechanic, so if I did something wrong, you know, let me know. This was from the Denzel Washington movie that I worked on, and it just fell in coolant. This was a movie called Ma Rainey's Black Bottom. It's part of August Wilson's collection of plays. Denzel Washington made a movie called Fences here in Pittsburgh, and then he came back because he enjoyed working in Pittsburgh so much to make Ma Rainey's Black Bottom. Anyways, this really sucks. This really sucks. This is some work right here. That manifold is still hot. That manifold is still hot. Success. First you don't succeed, try again. But then, isn't that the definition of insanity? To keep doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results? First you don't succeed, try again. I don't know. This world doesn't exactly make a lot of sense anymore. Alright, so we're gonna drop in the radiator and we're gonna get this job done. essentially on our way back to some business. Note to self, buy the right tools for the job. Buy the right tools for the job. By now I've probably wasted, I'd say, a good 30 minutes just screwing around not having the right tools for the job. So yeah. Just as I thought, I'm gonna have to make a cut to this. I think we're all hooked back up, so now we're just gonna refill the radiator, see what happens. Fingers crossed, right? And yes, I absolutely know that I should be using a funnel for this, but mine is either being borrowed or was taken. As I'm filling this up, make sure you're using the red coolant. I'm not a mechanic, I can't tell you the specifics why, but all I know is you drive a Scion, you drive a Toyota, you drive a Lexus, you need red coolant and nothing but red coolant.